Getting ready for the CPI report this morning. CPI report coming out at 8:30. So we got 1 minute. Right now I've got $150,000 Apex evaluation accounts that I'm going to try to get funded off of the CPI report news. So we got a little less than 30 seconds. I'm a feeler. I feel like we're going to push straight up here when this news comes out. And we'll see, kind of try to just jump into the action here. It's going to get a little crazy. I don't know if y'all are ready for it, but let's see how she goes. We got a little less than 15 seconds. Basically, I think if we kind of, news is coming out right there. 2 seconds. News is straight down now. Down there to the 200s. This is the key level from yesterday. I'm going to start buying right there. We'll see if this squeezes back up, holds that 18,200 level. Should squeeze straight back up here now. Be looking for like 260s or higher very quickly here. Want to get above 260s here. And bought the dip perfectly there, down to the 220s. Now right back up. Up there to look for the 280 break now. 280 break coming up. Look for the 90 break. Get through the 300s one more time here. I'm going to lock it in right there at the 280s. So we bought the dip there. Now we look for a breakout over the 300 level possible. And then we go all in if we break above 300 there. And I'll show you why in a second. If we look here on the NASDAQ right now, that 300 level has been resistance, is a pivot point right there. So above 300, I'm looking to get back in on this long now. So we pushed up there nicely. We got right up there to our target, up there to the 77. So if we can basically get above the high of that candle, I'll be looking to go all in again and get these accounts funded right there. So that 200 area held up perfectly down there, 18,200s. All right, I'm jumping in here again. We should get pushed right through 300. Looking for this 300 break right here, right now, and absolutely beautiful. So there it is, 10 accounts, absolutely crushed it, funded. We bought the dip here off that 200 level. Remember, yesterday, 18,200 was a key level, right? 18,200, we held that level pretty much all day yesterday. I actually talked about this live on YouTube as well, the idea of that, like, would that 18,200 level play into support after the CPI report? Would we pull back, which we did? So they defended that 18,200 level. This is that key level from yesterday, and we got it perfectly there, all the way down right there. So 18,200 on the dot, we pulled back into that level that we identified yesterday. And look at that rip from the 200s back up there to the 340s now, 339. So absolutely beautiful move here, my friends. We love to see it. And that's how we do it. Locking it in right there, right now, live as this pops up there. We get through the 350s, probably keep going from there. So I like it. Easy peasy mac and cheesy. You got to read the room. Read the room. That 18,200 level was a key level, and we bounced off it perfectly this morning. 204 bounce, pushed right back up there, and that's how we do it right there. If you guys want to learn more about Apex and all the fun stuff, right now there's 70% off, 3-day to pass, and $35 resets. Check them out now. Link down below. Use the code PW always for the best possible deals at Apex. And well, there it is, showing you guys the thought process behind this trade. 18,200 key level, 18,200. You got to look and think like, hey, 18,200 just would not break yesterday, would it? It just wouldn't break yesterday. So that was very kind of bullish for me to see that happen. And well, that's what we're looking for. So happy with that. Happy with that.